So this, if it would have been 5 months, then remaining will be the 7 months which we need to consider. Try to understand. And it's not only applicable for basic, but also whatever the important allowances we have. It might be your DA, it might be your CCA, it might be your HRA, so on and so forth. Is this clear? So everywhere
Yes, sir.
there will be computation month-wise. So scaling what was based not only for basic, but scaling was there for other allowances also. Okay. Here it is on the per month basis, here 70% of basic. So accordingly, you have to take it up for the further computation. I hope you must have understood the concept of this entire table. And whatever the question we are doing, this is all past papers of Mumbai University. You can verify. Okay, past questions of University of Mumbai. Still here, clear hai? Okay, so here we will be going only for 5 months, and remaining 7 months we are going to take it up here. That is for basic, DA, CCA. CCA is what? City compensatory allowance. DA is what? Dearness allowance. HRA is what? House rent allowance. Okay. No, he is not entitled to exemption for HRA particular. Why he is not entitled? There are two reasons. One, he might be having his own house, then you will not be eligible for HRA. Or the house must have been provided by the employer. In such cases, you will not be entitled to HRA exemption. The entire HRA will be taxed. In previous question, you have seen that HRA certain part was exempted under section 1030A. By now you have to remember all these important sections. Okay. Children's education allowance 600 per month. Taxable or not?
Taxable.
Okay. Mr. Vivek has 3 children who are pursuing school education. So what will be the applicability of deduction under this section?
Two children होता है ना?
Under this section? Under section 1014. 1014. And what will be the exemption? How much is the limit of exemption?
200 rupees per month per child.
100 rupees per month per child, maximum for 2 children. 100 rupees per month per child, maximum for 2 children, under section 1014. Okay. Next, commutation allowance, taxable or not? Commutation allowance, 1000 rupees per month.
Taxable.
Allowed from September 2000. Sorry, there is again orthographical error. We will consider September 2020, not 19. Okay, September 2020. So what is our previous year? 1920, no? September 2019. No, previous year is 2021. It is 20. Okay. So from September 2020 only, like yesterday, you must have seen that there were only for 2 months, right? December to January. So similarly here, the commutation allowance will be allowed only from September. So September till what period? Till March. So how many months? September,
6
October,
months.
November, December, Jan, Feb, March. 7 months. 7 months. Okay. So 7 months we will get an exemption again under section 1014, 800. That much we will deduct. Okay. Remaining will be taxable. Fixed medical allowance,
taxable,
fully taxable. Entertainment allowance,
fully taxable.
fully taxable. Again, he is not a government employee, so 16(2) का सवाल ही नहीं आता. Okay, but there are questions which we will be seeing later on, whereby we will compute 16(2) also. Don't worry. Next, bonus received for Diwali 40,000. Bonus received for Diwali. Receive on Diwali 40,000. What you will do? Taxable or not? Bonus will be taxable or not? Very common sense. Bonus will be taxable or not? Very simple and common question. Tell me. 100% taxable. Expenditure incurred from Diwali for Diwali festival, not my concern. Whatever you are incurring is not my concern. Okay. Next. He received ex gratia 25,000. What is the meaning of ex gratia? Nothing but bonus only. Different kind of bonus. Again, it is taxable. Leave travel concession 15,000. What is leave travel concession? It is a part of section 10(5). It is a term of employment whereby employer is going to give you leave for a period of 4 years, 2 times for your native or any place, whereby for the commutation at a shortest route, only the commutation will be allowed, not fooding, lodging and stay. If you are going to the hometown, so you must have seen who all are there in the defense, they are getting those passes. An entire thing is paid by employer, that is government. So 2 times in the tenure of 4 years. Okay. That is exempted under section 10(5). Under section 10(5). So here it is given how much is exempted. The remaining will be taxable. Mr. Vivek contributes 20,000 to his own contribution to the employer's provident fund recognized by income tax authority. So it is known as recognized provident fund, RPF. While teaching only, I have told you there are 3 types of provident fund. One is statutory provident fund, which is also known as public provident fund. Other is recognized provident fund, RPF, CPF, and third one is unrecognized provident fund. So for public provident fund or statutory provident fund and unrecognized provident fund, the concept is very clear. Everything is exempted. But for recognized provident fund, there is a clause that you cannot contribute more than 12% of your salary, basic salary, and your interest contribution should not exceed more than 9.5%. Okay. This is all you have to learn. आप लोग पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे. There. Okay. 12% of basic. Which basic you will take? Basic plus DA plus turnover commission. And interest should not exceed 9.5%. This is just a hint. यहाँ से भी तुम लोग पढ़ोगे तो भी idea आएगा. Okay, this I have given the hint, and entire description is there under section as a perquisite.
सर पीआरएफ मतलब
क्या? आरपीएफ मतलब रिकॉग्नाइज्ड प्रोविडेंट फंड, ईपीएफ मतलब पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड। ये देखिए, मैंने बोला these are three type of funds, प्रोविडेंट फंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। पीएफ बोलते हैं ना, पीएफ में आपका पैसा कटता है कि नहीं, दैट शोज हाउ कंफर्म योर जॉब इज। तो स्टैट्यूटरी एंड अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड एवरीथिंग इज एग्जाम, आपको याद नहीं रखना। किसके लिए याद रखना है? आरपीएफ। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्वेश्चन आरपीएफ पे ही पूछता है, आरपीएफ पे ही क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, ये दोनों पे नहीं पूछेगा। व्हाई? बिकॉज दीज आर एग्जाम्पल। ठीक है, तो आरपीएफ में क्या लिखना है कि योर एम्प्लॉयर कंट्रीब्यूशन शुड नॉट एक्सीड 12% और योर इंटरेस्ट शुड नॉट एक्सीड 9.5%। इसको मैंने टेबल फॉर्म में भी आपको सिखाया है। So you have to learn and remember all these things. Every question will have one or other adjustment now. यहाँ पे एडजस्टमेंट किसका था? आरपीएफ का। प्रोफेशनल टैक्स पेड, कल के क्वेश्चन में किसका एडजस्टमेंट था? इफ द यू नो there are other than salary income, what to be done? Today also it is there. Professional tax paid by Mr. Vivek, what he will do? 2,500. Professional tax paid
Taxable.
under section 16(3) reduction. Vivek is also partner for Sansodhan and Associates and earns a salary as a partner at the rate of 5,000 per month. Not my concern. It will come as income from, yesterday also I have discussed. ये कौन से हेड में आएगा?
Outsource.
Income from business and profession.
Salary.
Not at all salary. Not at all salary. Yesterday also we had this adjustment. Within a day you are not able to remember, recollect. Here he was a partner. मैंने बोला भी था, kindly write down. This is income from other sources. This is income from business and profession. मैंने आपको इसका नोट भी लिखवाया था, मैं बोला था पढ़ो, इसलिए आप लोग नहीं बता पाते। वेरी बैड, वेरी वेरी बैड।
Business position.
So now, get me the answer. Then you do it with your own. You have 5 minutes. जब भी 10-9 minutes रहेगा मैं, then I will start my thing. Do it फटाफट। In next page there is only one adjustment related to here, and another one is your professional tax. So almost the entire question is here only. And I was very happy Sachin was doing and showing it to me. So likewise other students also who have done it along with me can show. That shows your effectiveness during the lecture. And definitely this attitude of yours is going to give you good marks in too. there in our hand. So again, I will do it. You just cross verify whether your answers were right or not. And next week, as I told you, I'm going to take your assignment. So kindly complete before attending. I think we are doing question number 10. Page number. I hope the format is ready with you all. I need not have to explain again and again. Name of SSC is Mr. Vivek. Legal status as an individual. Residential as RNOR by default. PAN number previous year is 2021 and assessment year is 21-22. Is this clear? Till here, things are clear to you all. Now let us proceed further. What was the basic? For 5 months, basic was 12,000. So what is the total? 12,000 into 5. How much you'll get?
60,000.
60,000.
60,000. Okay. For remaining 7 months, the basic was 40,000. So what will be the total then?
98,000.
98. So both the total will be how much?
158.
Absolutely.
1,58,000.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next, DA. DA is 600 per month and 70% of basic. 600 into how many months? 5 months. What will be the total?
30,000.
40,000.
And 70% of basic. Basic was 98. Don't take total.
68,600.
1,600. What is the total then?
98,600.
Very good. CA. 20% of basic. And 30% of basic.
12,000.
Okay.
29,400.
So
Oh, sorry,
20% of
12,000.
basic.
28,000.
12. And 30% of basic.
29,400.
The total.
41,400.
Very good. Next. 40% of basic and 7,000. So 40% of 60,000.
24.
Very good. And 7,000 into 7 months. 49. The total.
41,000.
Total.
73,000.
Very good. 70. Now how many children he has? 3 children. 600 per month. So what is the total amount received as children's education allowance? Will be 6 children, 12 months.
21,600.
Yes.
7,200.
And what is the exemption? Exemption is fixed, 100 rupees per child per month maximum for 2 children. So what is the total taxable amount of children's education allowance?
19,200.
Next is commutation allowance. Again, there was an adjustment. That commutation is not for entire year. He got from September onwards. So how much commutation he will get?
7,000.
700.
700 or 7,000?
7,000.
Then exemption is how much?
5,600.
5,600. Because they are stating 800 per month. Again for 7 months. It will be 5,600. What is the taxable amount?
1,400.
Medical allowance. It's given. How much? 20,000. Entirely taxable. Entertainment allowance. How much it is given?
18,000.
Yes, 1,500 per month. For 12 months, it will be 18,000. Very correct answer. Okay. Bonus for Diwali. 40,000. Ex gratia, 25,000. These all are taxable. The bonus, 40 is taxable. Ex gratia, 25 will be taxable. Till here it is clear.
Yes, sir. Done.
Long leave travel concession. How much it is given? Those who have done just tally, yeah? No problem. Very good. 15,000 he got. Out of that, how much is exempted under section 10(5)?
12,000.
Yes, it's not 10(40), it's 10(5). 12,000. So how much will be taxable then?
3,000.
3,000. Last few items are there. RPF. How much RPF contribution is? That's there in the next
20,000.
20,000.
20,000. Okay. Own contribution is not problem. Employer's contribution is also very important. Right? Salary. Employer makes matching contribution. So employer also contributed how much? 20,000. Now I will check this 20,000 is more than 12% or not. Okay. So more than 12% of what? Basic and DA and turnover commission. Basic we got
Yeah.
158. DA we got 98,600.
Dated 600.
So total 12% of this is how much? Quickly.
30,720.
720.
So now you cannot say my income is minus 10,720 और गवर्नमेंट को बोलेगा मुझे टैक्स दो. ऐसा नहीं होता.
नील होया ना.
नील होगा. मैक्सिमम नील होगा कहीं. वेरी गुड. इंटरेस्ट कितना मिला था उसको? 11.5. Yes, that is 11.5%. And how much is allowed? 9.5%. So extra 2% will be taxable. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. If 11.5% is 23, then 9.5 will be how much? Let's get the answer.
19,000.
19,000. So remaining will be taxable. हो गया. This will be the gross salary.
4,000.
What is the gross salary?
5,01,600.
Absolutely right. Very good, sir. Standard deduction. Quickly, we are very
50,000.
50. Is not a government employee and professional tax is given. So
20.
50,000. So what is taxable salary?
4,49,100.
Very good answer. Same answer you will get in the textbook also. Here. So please practice. Very nice. Very, very good. Very good. I want this approach. Okay. So, Sushi, Sachin and few students kindly join with the same login for 5-10 minutes.